welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to be doing a look with this Barbie Colourpop collaboration, and this is Malibu Barbie. This is the palette. So I have seen a few looks on YouTube with this palette, and mostly everyone was using like the orange, the pink, and the yellow. So this orange, this pink, this yellow. So I want to do something a little bit different, and I think I'm going to go for the blue and the pink, possibly the orange. I don't know, but I really want to take it a little bit different. And I was going to wear a wig. I have my wig out, and for some reason it is so hot in here that I'm sweating, and it's just not, like, it just keeps sliding. So I was gonna wear this wig and do like this blonde hair, but it kept sliding, so I had to pull it off. My makeup was pretty much already done, so I had to like fix it around the hairline. It's just one of those days. This morning I do have to go to work, so I just have to get it together and keep it pushing. So we're gonna go ahead and dip into, the only thing I'm not sure about is what I want to put in my crease, because I actually want to put, do I want to put the blue on my inner corner, or do I want to put the, I'm gonna put the pink in my crease. So this is like what's scariest, when I don't really know. Most of the time I don't really want to know, but I want to try something new, and I have to go to work, so it's like if it doesn't look right, I just have to keep going, and I'll be looking like this at work. So the mirror is a little bit small, so I have to hold it up like right here to be able to see in this palette, but I do like Colourpop. So I'm just patting it on. I'm not blending it out. There is some fallout. Okay, now without even blending it, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into orange. So the pink was called Best Coast, and now I'm jumping to the orange, which is called SoCal. And the orange I am taking right here on the outer edge of the pink, and I am going to blending this part. So it's been getting up to 115 degrees in Vegas and in the morning, so by the time I'm already getting ready, it is, let's see, what time is it? It's 6:15 right now. It says it's 80 degrees outside. I haven't been outside yet, but I know in here it feels like it's like 90 something degrees. And I have the fan on, but I have to turn the fan off so that way you're not hearing it during the video, because the fan is like sitting right here, and I blast it when I'm doing like my face and my eyebrow portion, and then I have to turn it off so I can come on here and do the rest of my eye look with you. Okay, so I'm just taking Best Coast, which is the pink, and then just patting that back in. I need to take that out a little bit. Okay, so we have our colors on there. And then let's blend out. I'm gonna take a clean brush. This doesn't have anything on it. And I'm just going to blend the edge of the orange, which is SoCal. And when I blend in circular motions. Now you know we have to cut our crease because I'm about to put this blue on my lid and I don't want the blue to look funny, so, or muddy. So I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm using this Beautybay eye base, which is what I've been using pretty much all the time. I do have the P. Louise bases, but I only use these if I'm going to do like a specific color. So I guess I could use this blue, but I'm not. I'm going to use the white. So I'll be right back once I cut my crease. So I've cut my crease and I actually took it all the way out and I tried it on this eye. So what I'm doing is I'm dipping back into the pink here on, this is what I would use like to put gel liner on, and I'm actually just taking it just above where I cut my crease to bring back the pink right there. So I'm just slowly putting it on there because I just want that part to be kind of deeper in pink. But making sure that I don't get it on my cut crease area. Okay, so like that. And now let me finish on this eye because I started doing it and realized I need to show you. Now we're going to take the blue, and there's a blue matte shade and a blue shimmer shade, and we're going to pat that on. So I'm going to use a dry brush first. The blue shade is called Malibu Memories. Very pigmented, and I'm just patting this on the white cut crease area. I'm not taking it off of that space. And I'm just going to take the blue all the way. I was thinking about if I was going to add another color here, but I just decided I'm going to take the blue all the way. Now this is like a bold look to wear to the office or to wear to work, but I work from home and I don't have too many meetings today. I don't have anywhere I'm going to. I think I have one where I'll be on camera, but other than that, my other meetings, I am not on camera. So I think even if I was on camera, it wouldn't bother me to have a bold makeup look. Okay, so we took the blue all the way out. And now I'm just going to take the shimmer shade, and we're going to use the same brush because the shimmer shade kind of looks like the matte shade, and we're going to dampen the brush a bit and see how that applies. Ooh. Kind of brightens that blue up. So I won't take the shimmer shade all the way, but I am going to drag it so that it kind of blends better. But mainly I put it on the front of my lid, and then I just drag whatever is left. And that is it. I need to put my eyeliner and mascara on and possibly lashes. We shall see, and then I will come right back. This is the completed look. Let me know what you think. I used the Barbie Colourpop collaboration Malibu Barbie palette, and I decided to go bold and do something different. I have not seen this exact look for this palette on YouTube, but leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.